everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play Fallin All In You by Shawn Mendes on the keyboard. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds and then I'll go through each individual line, and I'll do that for each verse until I've learnt the whole song. If you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy the video. So the first line of verse 1 is which is C, C, B flat, C, 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 A flat, C, C, A flat, B flat, C, 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 A flat. So again that is the next line is which is C, C, A flat, B flat, C, C, A flat, G flat, A flat, G flat, A flat, G flat, A flat, G flat, A flat, G, G, C, C. So again that is the next line is which is A flat, C, A flat, A flat, E flat, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A flat. The next line is C, C, A flat, C, 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 A flat, C, A flat, B flat, C, 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 B flat. And the next line is which is C, C, A flat, C, C, A flat, C, 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 A flat, C, 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 A flat. So again that is the next line is C, A flat, A flat, E flat, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, F. And the final line of verse 1 is which is 4 C's, A flat, and then 4 C's. So again that is so that is it for verse 1. Let's play it again. next part to learn is the pre-chorus, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of the pre-chorus is which is E flat, F, G, F, E flat, C, E flat, C, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, B flat, C, B flat. So again, that is. The next line is E flat, C, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, C, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, A flat. The next line is which is A flat, B flat, C, B flat, C, A flat, C, C, E flat, A flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, A flat. So that is it for the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is the chorus, and this is how it sounds. The first line of the chorus is C, B flat, A flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, A flat, C, B flat. The second line is A flat, B flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, A flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, C, B flat. The next line is A flat, B flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, A flat, C, B flat, B flat. And the final line is A flat, B flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, C. So that is it for the chorus. Let's play it again. part to learn is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of verse 2 is C, C, A flat, C, 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 A flat, C, C, A flat, B flat, C, 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 A flat. The next line is C, C, A flat, B flat, C, C, and then we're playing A flat, G, 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 C, C, A flat. The next line is C, A flat, E flat, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, F. And the next line and the final line of verse 2 is which is just 4 C's, A flat, and then 4 C's. Again, that is so that is it for verse 2. Let's play it again. After verse 2, you can play the pre-chorus and the chorus again, and then the final part to learn is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. So for the bridge, I'm moving slightly up the keyboard. I'm going to play. So we're playing middle C, E flat, F, E flat, F, and then the higher A flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, and the higher C. The second line is A flat, F, F, E flat, F, E flat, C, C. The next line is which is C, E flat, F, E flat, F, A flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, B flat, C, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, A flat. And the final line of the bridge is so we're playing A flat, B flat, 4 C's, E flat, A flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, F, A flat. that is the bridge. Let's play it again. After the bridge, you can play the chorus once more, and then that's everything for this song. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.